The body has got more memory than your brain. Thatha umntwana ozalwayo emncane engakazi ukwenza lutho, uthi ephuma emhlabeni ekhaya there's memory. After that, bese kukhumbula ukuthi kufuneka ahlale, emva kokuhlala kufuneka azame ukuhamba, agcine esehamba, agcine esekhuluma. That is the remembrance of the body. Hence we say the body has more memory than your mind. But then your mind will start now trying to make sense of what is happening around. And your mind, your eyes, and your heart are your biggest enemies. They are the ones who are making you do the wrong things. Yourself, which is soul, you are the soul. You do not have a soul. You don't have your soul. You are the soul. The soul is fighting with the mind, the body, and the eyes. The eyes see, the mind is thinking, the heart is only respond to the sweetness of your emotions. That is why today got so many heartbreaks, got so many people who are breaking up because they've got these heartbreaks. Bathandangani ngenhliziyo. The best way for the uzama, which is not easy, but we are taught ukuthi ukuthanda ngenhliziyo, but bayakukhumbuza the same nhliziyo bayenza ibe bomvu, ibe negazi. Into ebomvu ingozi, kodwa kahle kahle if you can try and love with your brains. In fact, we all love with our brains, but we don't know how to capture that because we've been trained to say the heart. Remember, the heart responds to the sweetness of your emotions. When you're happy, the heart is calm. When you're angry, the heart is angry. So ayikwazi ukuthanda ngoba iresponda ukuthi wena usizwa kanjani. So masisho kanje sizama ukuthi vele uthanda ngani ngomqondo. Ukuthanda is a decision. You make a decision to love a person. So you cannot decide with your heart. So this is the biggest mistake, and it's also into esilimazayo kakhulu ukuthi sonke sasithandwa ngenhliziyo. That's why hlale siphungile emoyeni. Uma ubona umuntu inhliziyo amehla yambona uyabukeka, isithi ingqondo akimnike ithuba. So inhliziyo ifika nini na ngoba uma umnika ithuba ngamehlo nangengqondo kuphilisa kamnandi, then the heart responds. Bese wesho wena uthanda ngenhliziyo, kanti it's only responding to the sweetness of your actions or your emotions. When you feel good, the heart is good. When you feel bad, the heart is bad. Let us try ukuthi sithande ngengqondo. Vele sithanda ngayo, but we don't know because labo abasifundisile impilo basifundise ngendlela engeyona. If like we go to abantu abenza amehlo bebathi kuwena mabekuthesa bathi hey khona ihlo lakho libona kude, khona libona eduze ngathi into estrange. It's normal. Your right eye must see far, your left eye must see closer because le right yona egather information bese kuthi left uyayistore information. Whatever you've seen is registered by your left, which is short-sighted. So don't get excited. Babethi udokotela wamehlo amehlo akhe awaboni ngendlela eyi-one. Ukutshela vele into ekhona. Please people, let us have information about things so that we can live long and we'll be able to say to the professionals, no, what you're telling me is not true. Wake up. Umdali wasipha ingqondo sonke, sazalwa siphelele, ayikho into eshodayo. Umuntu onemali no-24 hours, umuntu ongenamali no-24 hours, umuntu ophila uzothi umuntu ophila abanye abantu uno-24 hours, umuntu ophilisa abanye abantu uno-24 hours, depende ukuthi unawenzani ngalo 24 hours. So umdali wasinika sonke ingqondo before ufike umhlaba. That's why uhlala kumzali wakho for 9 months, usuke developwa ukuthi uphume usuwumuntu ophelele, ukwazi ukuzimela bese udecide ukuthi what you are going to do. It's unfortunate ukuthi abantwana bathi befika nje bese sibakhulisa sibenzise lento esicabanga ukuthi right, kanti sikhohlwa ukuthi banesipho sabo. You cannot athi umuntu wakhulisa, you cannot ukhulisa umntwana. Umntwana uzomguide kuphela usubheka ukuthi yini le umdala amphe yona. Uma unesiphiwo salokho noma ulalela, uzomazi umenza akwazi ukwenza noma yini afuna ukuyenza umhlaba without limiting umntwana. Wena uma uzalwa uzoba udokotela, umuntu ufuna ukuyiculela, kodwa umpintshelo kadokotela umhlakaniphile ayiphase eqede nje ukuba udokotela, ebesethi after 2 years u-frustrated umntwana phuzishwala enze yonke into ngoba lento omenzise yona njengomzali akuyona. Ake sizame ukusi-understanda, ukuhlale phansi nje uthi look into you, don't look outside. Who are you? What do you like? What do you enjoy? Some people enjoy singing. Some people enjoy listening to other people. Some people enjoy helping. So let us help our children to grow freely so that they will be themselves. Kuninto kuthiwa umsebenzi ophiwe umdali, it is work. Isikhona ijob ozovuka ekuseni uyosebenza ukuze uhole. Lokho umuntu ovuka ekuseni ayokwenza umsebenzi awuphiwe umdala, enjoy from the morning until the afternoon. Akube njalo.